Have a release flat?
Nope.
Nope, don't care.
You don't understand what these are for.
This is for the mob.
On all the scary movies. Skelter Helter or whatever it is.
Helter Skelter.
You want us to sit in it? You know what? We're doing 50 sweaters for our school this year. You want us to come in and watch it?
Hey, right there, just stand right there. I don't need to do that.
Arthur!
Pop the hood, pop the hood.
Absolutely.
Oh, you don't have to do it inside?
No, it's an old car right under here.
And they crack up if y'all had 50
Just
day and you drove to
it.
school.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Hang on a second.
Taylor, do you like this? Like, would you drive this? No.
Ain't gonna happen here.
That is so...
Okay, listen to it.
I'm gonna laugh when y'all's car breaks down on the highway.
Raise your whatever.
You like to stand in that truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it have the 50s radio?
No, that's not the reason.
You need some CDs with 50s music.
I probably got some. I probably got some.
With bling.
Hey, this is cheaper than Alex's car, so
Yeah.
good luck.